Hello! Welcome to Montreal. This is a very exciting and big city in Quebec, Canada. It is special because many people speak two languages, French and English. It is the biggest French-speaking city outside of France. In this video, we will spend more time in Montreal. We will see many beautiful places, do fun things, and eat all the famous food. Get ready to explore. We start where Montreal began. Old Montreal, Vieux-Montréal. The streets are made of stone, and the buildings are from long, long ago. It feels like you are in a different time. Look at the Notre Dame Basilica. It is a very important and beautiful church. The inside is famous for its dark blue ceiling with gold stars. You can stay and watch a special show of light and music called Aura. It is magic. Walk to place Jacques Cartier to see artists and street performers. Then, go to the Old Port, Vieux-Port, by the big St. Lawrence River. You can ride the big observation wheel, La Grande Roue, for a great view of the river and the city. Let's learn about the past. Visit the Pointe-à-Callière Museum. This place shows you the old walls and floors of the first settlement under the ground. The Old Port area is also famous for the clock tower. You can climb the tower for another good view. In the summer, the clock tower beach opens near the river. Montreal is an island, so the river is very important. Time for nature. Mount Royal, Mont-Royal, is the big hill in the middle of the city. It is a big green park. Walk up to the top to see the big Montreal Cross and the best view of the skyline. You can rent a boat on Beaver Lake, Lac aux Castors, in the summer. Next, we visit the Olympic Park. Montreal had the big Olympic Games in 1976. The stadium building is very big and unique. Inside the park, you find the Biodome. This is a special building that has 5 different parts of the world with real animals and plants, like a big forest or the North Pole. Close by are the big botanical gardens with many beautiful plants, especially the Chinese and Japanese sections. Montreal has many interesting areas. Les Plateaux Mont-Royal. This area is famous for its colorful houses with outside stairs. It is a relaxed and fun place to walk, drink coffee, and see local life. Mile End. This area is near Mont-Royal. It has many small, special shops, art galleries, and is very famous for the best bagels and the big Jewish community. Quartier Latin, Latin Quarter. This is the student area near the universities. Rue Saint-Denis is full of small restaurants and bars. It is very lively at night. Chinatown, walk under the big Chinese gates. This is a good place to find great food from China and other Asian countries. Montreal is a very creative city. It is a UNESCO City of Design. You can see many large street art murals on the buildings, especially on Boulevard Saint Laurent. The city loves art. If you like museums, visit the Montreal Museum of Fine Arts. It is one of the biggest and best museums in Canada. In the summer, Montreal is the city of festivals. The Jazz Festival and the Just for Laughs Comedy Festival are famous all over the world. Montreal is very smart because of the cold winter. The underground city, or réseau, is a special feature. It is a long network of tunnels, over 32 kilometers. These tunnels connect many things: shopping malls, hotels, cinemas, museums, and 10 metro stations. You can walk for hours without going outside when it is snowing. This is very unique in the world. Now for the food. You have a mission to eat the 3 famous Montreal foods. Poutine. Remember this name. It is hot French fries with small pieces of fresh cheese, cheese curds, and covered in a thick, dark gravy sauce. It is a very comforting dish. Try it at La Banquise for many different types. Smoked meat sandwich. This is special beef meat, smoked and spiced. It is cut into thick slices and put high on rye bread with mustard. It is amazing. The most famous place is Schwartz's Deli. Montreal bagels. They are different from American bagels. They are sweeter, smaller, and cooked in a very hot wood-fired oven. Go to Saint-Viateur or Fairmount to buy one fresh and hot. Also, try the maple syrup everywhere. Canada loves maple syrup, and the sweet pastry called pudding chômeur is a must-try. Montreal is a city of two worlds, the charm of Europe and the energy of North America. Quick tips: the metro is clean and easy to use. Learning a few French words like bonjour, hello, is a nice idea, but most people speak English too. Montreal is a perfect city to visit all year round. Thank you for watching this long guide. Which part of Montreal do you want to see first? Write your answer below. Goodbye and have a great trip. Au revoir!